I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty, I will remind you that that is an offence. Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You
are
are interfering. You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not
interfere
me,
with a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it. Tell her to take it off.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that,
sir. Well, I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay, so go away now. Go away now. No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct me nothing.
If you interfere,
I'm not talking to her.
I'm not talking to her.
Have you heard me talk to her?
When the sergeant accused the auditor of blocking a female officer, the footage tells a very different story. The camera remains fixed on the sergeant the entire time, showing no interference with her duties. Turning a peaceful act of recording into a criminal accusation isn't just poor judgment. It reflects a deeper resistance to public oversight. What makes it more concerning is that this behavior comes from a sergeant, someone expected to lead by example. Instead, his actions appear to use authority as a tool for intimidation, despite the absence of any real justification.
Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When? Whenever, don't lie, you're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
And I'm talking to my colleague,
no,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said you tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me.
I asked you. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be wearing it.
So can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. What I'm doing. Okay. I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace. It's a defaced union flag. We'll get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want.
Police building.
I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why?
Why?
Tell me why. Tell me why.
Because it's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement? Am I on a public pavement? Am I on a public pavement? Yes, you said. Yeah. I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me. I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it.
They tried to paint the auditor as interfering with a female officer's duties, but the video tells the real story. His focus squarely on the sergeant. Twisting a simple recording into an offense isn't a mistake. It's a tactic to avoid scrutiny. And coming from a sergeant, that's downright embarrassing. They even labeled him a security risk for filming officers coming and going, ignoring the fact he's on a public sidewalk, free to record. The kicker? The sergeant snarls at his obstructing, even as his own cruiser doors swing open and block the street. It's absurd. If it weren't so alarming, it would almost be comical.
Your car out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah, you're causing me alarm, harassment and distress, okay? I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform.
We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and criminal evidence.
No, you won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
Evidence on your phone.
There's no evidence on my phone for you. No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you. No, you don't need to get close to me. Step away and stop pointing your finger. No, you won't.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
Sir.
All right then. Well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone,
as what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what crime?
Under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does, sir.
What's the crime?
When a sergeant threatens to confiscate the auditor's phone under the Evidence Act, he can't even name a crime. The law only allows seizures if officers reasonably suspect the item holds proof of a real offense. Filming on a public sidewalk, even near police, doesn't meet that standard. This is blatant abuse of power. Waving the law around like a threat, the sergeant hopes to intimidate the auditor into handing over his device. But when asked what crime occurred, nothing. No theft. No assault. No wrongdoing, without a specific charge. Bottom line, there's no legal right to search your personal belongings here.
If I believe...
What's the crime?
Well, you have indicated...
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes, and I will take the evidence from you.
Why? What crime is it? What crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced union flag for police?
What do you want? What do you want? We can seize that, can't we? As evidence.
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first practical first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a tyrant.
To do that, is it?
Of course it is. Are you mad? You're supposed to be telling people that you're filming them. You know GDPR? State of protection.
When the auditor points out that policy requires officers to state when they are recording, she fires back, that's policy, not law. But these guidelines aren't just suggestions. They shape officer conduct and protect public trust. Ignoring them isn't a minor oversight. It erodes accountability and even raises GDPR concerns when a state agent records personal data without proper notice.
Step on your way. Move your car. It's obstructing.
You're currently obstructing the public highway.
No, I'm not. I'm walking up and down. So I'm not currently doing anything. You're currently obstructing the public highway. Yeah? You're just trying to you're trying to lie. I think that's called manifest. Yeah, in public office. Yeah, I think so. Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
So please stop filming me, sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming
my body worn cameras on.
Officers, thank you for telling me your body worn cameras. Thank you for upholding your policy. Hold on a second.
You're right, sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. So just me talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming. Flashing cards coming out.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing that.
Coming in and out in their personal car.
No, he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film him.
The officer claimed the auditor was filming the sergeant stepping in and out of his vehicle. In reality, the car had just arrived, and the auditor remained on public pavement, fully within his legal right to record. By twisting a lawful act into a supposed targeting of the sergeant's movements, the officer manufactured suspicion to justify further intervention. The auditor was right to call out this false narrative.
In.
I can't tell my filming.
Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Why? When you're telling
I'm not.
Off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
Excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
Say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove otherwise, that I'm in danger.
Yeah.
And I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you anything? Did I ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away. Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse their rules and laws.
Standing before his team, the sergeant invoked a terrorism act simply because his car's registration was filmed, a claim with no legal basis. License plates in public view are not specially protected, and no court has ruled that photographing them constitutes terrorist activity. Section 43 only permits stops when there is genuine suspicion of terrorism, and mere unease about a visible plate on the street falls far short of that standard.
Your visits down here, sir.
She's wearing a defaced union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented, that she shouldn't be wearing a defaced union flag on her uniform. That muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? I'm asking you. No. So I can call him a muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of your visit?
Can I call him a muppet? Can I call him a muppet? Is it a swear word? Don't be civil, I'm not your mate. Okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong. Okay? Off your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit?
It all started when a sergeant falsely accused our auditor of interfering with a female officer. The footage however, tells the real story. The auditor's camera never left the sergeant, and he never approached her. This bait-and-switch tactic is a classic way to dodge scrutiny, especially alarming coming from someone expected to set the standard for leadership next. They tried to label him a security risk simply for calmly filming officers coming and going. The auditor pointed out that he was standing on a public sidewalk, exactly where the law allows anyone to record. Meanwhile, the sergeant's own cruiser sat half in the street, doors wide open, obstructing traffic. So who was really being disruptive? Then came the threat to confiscate the auditor's phone under the Evidence Act, PACE. When asked what crime had occurred, the sergeant stumbled. PACE only permits seizures when there's reasonable suspicion of a specific offense, which does not include lawful recording. Waving legal jargon like a sword, the sergeant hoped to intimidate the auditor into compliance. But without an actual charge, there was no authority to search a citizen's device. When reminded that policy requires officers to announce when they are recording, a female colleague dismissed it, saying, "That's policy, not law." But these guidelines exist to preserve public trust and ensure GDPR compliance. Ignoring them undermines transparency and flirts with legal risk. To make matters worse, the officer lied to colleagues, claiming the auditor had filmed the sergeant stepping in and out of his car when the vehicle had only just arrived. This spin attempted to recast innocent filming as suspicious targeting, justifying further intervention. The sergeant's final escalation was invoking the Terrorism Act because his license plate appeared on camera, a claim with no legal basis. Section 43 only applies when there is genuine suspicion of terrorist activity, not discomfort over a visible plate on a public street. Finally, facing contradiction after contradiction, the sergeant retreated to his car and drove off. His aggressive approach, refusal to follow basic policy, and misuse of legal terms were not just unprofessional. They represented a breakdown in leadership and respect for public rights. Treating lawful recording as a crime erodes the credibility of the entire force. That wraps up today's episode. If you found this insightful, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe. It really helps me keep bringing independent coverage. Don't forget to check out Yardley Ski Auditing. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.